Today I'm going to refresh my pot, my garden pot. It took a hit over the winter and summer is here, and so it is time to freshen it up. This pot in particular is my favorite. It's my biggest one, but it is in full shade. It's on a patio, so it gets bright indirect light, but it never actually gets sun on it. And so I keep having a hard time with partial sun, partial shade plants. They keep dying off. So I really went for it today and got a fern. Hopefully everything from now on should just live and thrive. Okay, so this is what's working well in this full shade pot. I'm in zone 8. I've got a Foxglove, and it's a nice salmon colored one, and that has done great in my shade areas. This is a type of jasmine that can be full shade. It's got these small leaves. I haven't seen it bloom yet. I put it in late last year. But so far it's really wrapping around this trellis nicely. I'm not like crazy about this trellis. I got it at Hobby Lobby of all places years ago, and I thought, oh, if I wrap that with a vine, that might make me like it more. So I really wanted the height because it's a tall area. So that's what we're doing. Otherwise, everything else I've put in here has died out. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old junk. So I've taken out everything dead, and now I'm going to dig out some soil to make room for the new plants. And I'm gonna I had a lot of fun at the nursery and I got a lot. And so I'm going to try to pack this pot out as much as I can. The thing about these pots is I've been doing this long enough that I really have started to prefer pots that are low maintenance. And I'll show you some of my other pots here in the video. But what I like about the low maintenance pots is that I'm just busy, and I'm not liking the upkeep. The less upkeep, the better. And if it can look good throughout the year, then, why would I want to change it? So that's my goal with this planting today. Like I said, there's a little seasonality. That just means that plants are blooming, flowers are blooming at different times. So if you have all of your flowers blooming right in the middle of summer, you'll have a really beautiful pot for about a month. But the rest of the year, it's kind of lackluster, or it was only meant to live for 1 month. And that's just not what I'm interested in anymore. Okay, so now we're gonna add some plants. Here's that fern. I'm thinking of fern on this side because there's indirect sunlight, but this is the absolute furthest from the light. I have another Foxglove, and it's the same color as the other one, and I thought that would be pretty to just pop on that side. I'll do that. I've discovered these Heuchera apple crisp. I have these in the front, and they are just darling. They send up these sprigs of fun joy. I thought that could be good here. I think I'll do maybe 2. Yep. And then I've got some of these little creepers to have them spill out. These are full shade. I don't know if I can fit all this in. We'll see how it goes. I'm thinking I haven't watered things because I didn't want them drippy for this video, but things are thirsty and I need to get them fed. I was thinking maybe kind of like going up through the center even. And then maybe up here into the front of the pot. Yeah, that's kind of pretty. What do we think? That looks nice. Then this fern, that should go there. I think that will be really nice, but it needs to go deeper. If you can't tell, I like to do things. And so I like to watch other people do things because it teaches me how to do more things. This trellis thing makes it challenging to work around. Not only on the top, but inside, there's like a frame down there that's making it hard. I think that's pretty. I'm gonna put this little creeper guy in here. But yeah, I just like watching these kind of videos because it's what I'm interested in myself. So obviously that's why I'm making this stuff. But I don't think that other people do, or I haven't found the right people. That's it. I haven't found the right people. There's plenty of people like me out there. Yeah, that's what I keep telling myself. Okay. So this, don't need the tag. Push that over. Oh, nice. I'll put one of these little creepers here. Hey, girl. That's my dog sniffing. She's like, what are you doing? Here we go. Beautiful. Have that come on out the front. Love it. It's kind of smushed. Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna do one last push over here for this guy. Okay, I'm gonna kind of tilt it, I guess. Get it down in there. Okay, beautiful. And that's one of these little creeper bobs. You guys, this is the best I've ever looked for gardening. And you can't even see me right now because I've done a weird crapola. Okay, get that out. Beautiful. Okay, what do we think? Cute. I think I could fit one more of these guys over here. Should we add one more like back here? Or I do have the room here. I could do it front. I think I'll do that. I've got room, so I'm going to scoot this guy over. I'm going to pop this guy, slide him, or her, I don't know. Slide it on over, pop this there, cute. And then I'll do a third right front and center. Yeah, I think this is it. Something I've learned over the past few years is if you can pack your plants in more instead of just doing one of each, it really looks nice. Okay, let me see how this looks. Let's see. Oh, that's cuter. Yeah, I like that. It's gorge. Okay, so now I need to get in some dirt. Put in a little bit of fresh potting soil. The other thing I have been spending my little free time on is this thing called Good Mail. It's a snail mail subscription club where once a month I send out a letter, a personal letter. And then it's also filled with art prints and little encouraging words, a Bible verse, encouraging cute little extras. The one going out is going to have a fun little personal worksheets of kind of introspection and looking forward to planning out your summer. They're artistic, they're beautiful. I try to keep them a little funny. And I also try to keep them encouraging because I'm encouraging, and this world has plenty that discourages us, and so I don't want to put more of that out in the world, more negative. So yeah, it's encouraging and uplifting, and hopefully makes people smile. I want people to just look forward to getting it. So that is also something you can find on my website. It's something new that I'm doing, and right now, as I'm recording this video, it's still very much in the beginning stages of it. And so I have had some people subscribe, and I'm so thankful and blown away, and I'm excited, and I really hope that they love it. If they love it half as much as I do, then they're gonna love it a lot. Okay, so I got it packed with dirt. I'm going to pause real quick, kind of back out, and then finish cleaning up the pot and watering it, and we'll be done.